In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable recommended actions while building your workflow in HubSpot 2020. This feature can be extremely helpful if you're looking to optimize your workflow creation process. So let's dive right in. First, we'll need to make our way to the user guide within HubSpot. To do this, open up your HubSpot dashboard and look for the section dedicated to user resources and guides. Click on the user guide to get started. This will bring you to a centralized location where you can access all the resources available for better understanding and utilizing HubSpot's myriad of features. Once you are in the user guide, the next step is to go to your settings. This is where all the customization happens, and you'll be able to control your personal and account settings from here. Navigate the interface to find the settings option. It's usually represented by a gear icon, so it should be fairly easy to spot. Clicking on it will redirect you to a new page or panel where all your user settings are centralized. Now that you're in the settings menu, the next thing you're going to do is to find the automation section. Automation in HubSpot is all about streamlining processes and creating efficiencies, which can be a game changer for productivity. Look for a tab or link labeled Automation. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a new section that's focused on all things automation within HubSpot. In this automation section, you will find various options for managing and optimizing your workflows. What we're interested in is a specific feature, showing recommended actions while building your workflow. This feature is designed to give you helpful suggestions and tips as you're constructing your automated processes. This not only aids in creating more efficient workflows, but can also offer insights into best practices you might not have considered. To activate this feature, simply click on the option that says Show Recommended Actions while building your workflow. It might be a toggle switch or checkbox, depending on your interface. Make sure it's enabled, and you're all set. This simple adjustment allows HubSpot to assist you in the workflow creation process by offering you real-time recommendations that can enhance and optimize your setup. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've enabled a powerful tool that can significantly enhance how you create and manage workflows within HubSpot. Recommended actions not only save time, but also ensure your automation strategies are as effective as possible. Thanks for joining me today, and happy workflow building with HubSpot!